Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. So GameStop is continuously blowing up. It just had a really nice pop from 214 after hours to 224. I think it's gonna continue the run, man. I think it's gonna keep going at least this week. I don't know if it's gonna drop, but shit, all these fucking calls, dude. Let's go with. I'm literally just buying like a YOLO out of like FOMO and stuff. We'll do something stupid like $300, right? I'll buy like one expiring this week because fuck it, why not? So nobody play this. This is basically FOMOing in. I'm not recommending this to anybody. Please, nobody play this. 2.50. We'll buy it at the high end. Should get filled. There we go. So I bought one just to play the continuous run. 225. I'm not really going to do anything really. I'm just gonna be holding this. If we drop again, I mean, you know what? Fuck it. We'll do it. We'll do another one just for the hell of it. Something cheap like in the 200s, like right here. 300. We'll do another one right here. We'll do another 300. We'll buy two more at 265, expiring this week. If it hits 300, fuck it. That didn't even get filled. How far up is it going right now? 26. We'll do 265 still. Let me see if it gets filled. One got filled. Well, I'll leave it at that. At least one of them got filled. But nobody play this. This is exactly what you would call a FOMO. If I have like one share, so I have all three of my calls filled. I did not expect a big pump like this on GameStop's part. As of right now, because you crossed 188 and you already crossed 226 to 27, the next stop right now is like $290. There's a huge gap up there. So I'm expecting there's not even a lot of volume coming in. You're less than a million volume. So this is 100% a FOMO. Do not play this. You will lose money. This is a YOLO. Again, I'm already up 26%, bro. If I end up, if this ends up, rallying to $300, then, it's going to end up going up bigly. So we'll see what happens. Super YOLO FOMO time. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.